This is how to add a count to your Google Sheet pivot table. So first of all, you need to have a pivot table already created. Hover over it and press edit to enable the pivot table editor. And now for the count to this value section over here, I'm going to add the column that I want to count, which in my case is salaries. And once I've added that, I will only have a duplicate of my initial column, which was calculating salaries as well. But now I can identify this summarize by option over here. And instead of sum, select count. And just like that, I will also have added a count to my pivot table using a column that I have used before. So this is how to do it. If you had any issues with this approach, let me know in the comments and I'll try to help. Otherwise, smash the thumbs up button and subscribe to see more videos like this.